Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vital Proteins. To start, simply add 1 to 2 scoops of Vital Proteins collagen powder to your favorite beverage. It's unflavored, so it won't change the taste of your coffee, tea, or smoothie. This makes it incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine, whether hot or cold. Just stir until fully dissolved and enjoy the benefits. Vital Proteins is incredibly versatile and can be added to almost anything. Beyond drinks, try blending it into your morning oatmeal, a hearty soup, or even your favorite baked goods. Because it's unflavored and dissolves so well, you won't even notice it's there, making it simple to boost your daily protein intake without changing your favorite recipes. For the best results, make Vital Proteins a consistent part of your daily routine. Many users find it easiest to add their scoops to a morning coffee or smoothie, ensuring they don't forget. Regular, daily intake is crucial for experiencing the full range of benefits, from supporting healthy hair and nails to promoting joint comfort and skin hydration. To maximize your intake, always ensure the powder is fully dissolved for optimal absorption and a smooth drinking experience. While 1 to 2 scoops is a common recommendation, you can adjust your serving size based on your personal dietary needs and goals. For any specific health concerns or tailored advice, always consult with a healthcare professional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.